Hi, Pipeline admins. Thanks for joining me in account settings. We're headed to activities and down here to postpone and duration. You can control how long your users are able to postpone tasks. By default, your postpone periods will skip Saturdays and Sundays when postponing a task or to-do. And by default, this allows your users to choose an actual date to postpone rather than just a list of these preset postpone options. Those options are down here. If you want to add to this, you can add period, let's say 60. That'll make one for 60 days. And you can delete any and add as many as you'd like. Down here at reoccurring end date, if you're setting up recurring tasks, you may not want that to go on forever. That's where the reoccurring date comes in. It lets you decide how long you want the task to repeat. Once that state is reached, the reoccurrence automatically stops. And new tasks require a due date. If you want to require your users to add a due date to tasks, click here to require it.